Hello guys, ATI Rocks here. Now in this video, I'm gonna teach you some hacking stuff, and whatever software I use in this video, I will provide that software's download link in the description so you can download from there. Okay, so you must be thinking, what are these? I'm gonna tell you these are all the Chrome Pass, Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox. These help you getting the passwords from Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer and Google Chrome basically. Okay, so basically when you type remember that whenever you open your Gmail account and you type your user ID and password and then you click on login button, then it asks you to save your password or not. Whenever some people click on save the password, and if you click on save your password, the password is saved with the username somewhere in the PC, but we don't know where it's saved, and these softwares help that password, username and password to locate. I just opened my Gmail account and I just saved that password, so I will just go to the Google Chrome. As I open through Google Chrome, as you can see my username and password. I'm gonna not show you my password. As you can see, this my username and this was my password, but I'm gonna not show you my whole password. So this is how this software works. This was for the Internet Explorer, and it is for the Mozilla Firefox, and these for the others. So now you know how to, as you can store these files. As you can see, these all files are of 325 KB, so you can store in your memory card and in your pen drive or whatever, and you can carry to your friends and know. And how you can know if he has saved his password, you can just tell him, just I'm thirsty and I'm gonna copy a game in your PC or computer, whatever, and you can just bring me a glass of water. By the time he brings a glass of water for you, you can just click on this and the passwords will be here and you can just see it. So now you know how to get FB's password. It works for all the sites. Whoever asks for the password you want to save or not. This works for the ICTC, Facebook, YouTube, Gmail, and many others, that ICSC, so HDFC Bank, and many more other websites. Okay, so let's move on to the another hacking stuff. Okay, we will use CMD for another hacking stuff. Okay, some codes that make hacking more nice to see. Just like you can change the color of the text, and you can open more windows of command CMD, and you can all open more by just typing the code. And you can also change you can change it to more colors, just a normal color, or by just changing the alphabets. I like this one and this color, so you can change the color in whatever you want. I like this, and this is the code for CLS. And now the hacking stuff. Whenever you want a Wi-Fi network to hack, as I'm not gonna teach you how to hack from your system to another system. Basically I will teach you in some other my tutorials, I know that, but I'm not gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you hacking a Wi-Fi network, but through the persons who is owner of the you have to just go to his PC and you have to just type these codes for getting his Wi-Fi password. You can make any reasons, and whenever he will not be around his computer, and you can just type some of the codes and get his Wi-Fi password. Now I'm telling you the code. how you can get it. Okay, first you have to type vmic, then quit, then cls, then netdash len show profile. Okay, so these are basically my Wi-Fi networks that I have connected to, and this Android API and Zolo Q1000 will be open Wi-Fi networks that have no security, so it will not give any password. This Zolo Q1002 is having a password that you don't know, but I'm not gonna teach you how to get that. And in this only this list, if the Wi-Fi password that you have, so you you want to have the password should have that should have the Wi-Fi name in this list, then only you can get the password of this Wi-Fi network. So now how to get that? You just have to repeat the code, but it's a somewhat changed file. Then you have to just type the, so now I'm gonna teach you how to copy this, as you cannot select as through this. You have to just select it all, and you have to just go through this by just holding the left click button. And how to copy it? You cannot copy from Control plus C or right click and just copy. You have to just click on the right button and the text will be copied. And how to paste it here? Just on a right click and just to paste it. Okay, now the Wi-Fi password has been copied. So this clear. Okay, as you can see, I just typed the code. You can just pause the video and look for the codes. I just typing the, if you think I just typing the codes fastly, so you can just pause the video and look for the codes. So yeah, I will provide these all the codes in the description. If you want them, I will provide that codes. And by just scrolling down, you can see the connectivity settings, and in the security settings you can see the authentication as the WPA2 personal and the security key, and key in the key content this key content is the password, as the password form as Zolo Q1002. This is basically my phone's Wi-Fi and 10th ring hotspot. I just the 10th ring hotspot, and in the key content here's the password, and you can just leave his house and so you can open the Wi-Fi network. Now you know the password. Yeah, I will teach you in one of my tutorial how to crack the crack the password of a Wi-Fi network through our computer, one's computer. So now more codes, and just gonna type CLS. Okay, so let's move on to the another hacking stuff. Okay, now how to get someone's location, as when I made a website and you want to know from where I made the website, as many of the CVS stuff or another stuff, when they catch any website that is illegal, presenting illegal information, and they want to know the location where the website was made, where is the main server of this website. So how they get it? Now I'm gonna teach you that. First of all, we're gonna need the IP address of that website. Okay, how we can get that? Okay, I'm just taking the example as the google.com. Okay, we just gonna ping google.com. Okay, here's the IP address of the Google, and we just gonna select it, copy it. When we just copied it, there's a website name called infosniper.net. We just have to just type the code there. As you can see, the infosniper.net. You have to just open the site. Sorry about my internet network, it's little bit slow. Okay, Whenever the page has been opened, you can see here the IP address written. You have to just erase it, and you have to paste your IP address, and you just have to then you have to just click on check button here, and it will locate the site wherever it was made. From wherever it was made, it's just locating it. It's just taking a little bit time because my internet network is slow. As you can see, it just loading a map, and it just viewed that it was made from Mountain View, United States. As you can see here, bunch of information. That was state was California, country United States, continent America, and city was Mountain View. And here's the IP address, provider Google, and another stuff, latitude, longitude. So let's move on to the another hacking stuff. Now I'm gonna teach you how to get someone's connected. As you have connected to an internet manager or something else, you're connected to a network for internet, and you want to know your IP address. How you can know that? You have to just open CMD and type the IP config. As here you can see, I've connected to wireless LAN, and in IP4 address I just got my IP address written here. So that's how you can get your IP address, and this was the last thing that I'm going to teach in this tutorial. I will make if I got a number of likes in this video, I will make another tutorial of hacking stuff, basically the part 2 of this video, and I'm gonna teach you more stuff in hacking. Maybe I will teach you how to hack a Wi-Fi network through your PC or something like that. So please, if you think the video was nice and that just taught you some cool stuff, then please give it a like, and please do subscribe to this channel ATI Rocks for more exclusive videos. And thank you guys for watching, and peace.